In the last video, we created a new employee class. However, when we call the employee constructor, all the member variables of the person class are initialized to null. And that's because we don't pass any values to the constructor of the person class. So let's fix this. If we head to the constructor of the employee class, we can now add 3 more parameters. So in here, I can type string space name and then int age and double height, like this. And then I need a way to pass this to the constructor of the base class. So to do this, I'm going to go on a new line here, and then I can type a colon space super, and then within brackets, I'm going to pass the parameters. So name, colon, name, comma, age, colon, age, comma, height, colon, height, like this. So what this code does is to take 3 extra parameters and pass them to the constructor of the super class, which in our case is the person class. So to verify that this code works, here we could take the 3 parameters that we are passing to the person constructor, and we could copy and then paste them into the employee constructor, like this. So I'm just going to clean up the code a little bit, and then at this stage I could run the code once again, and this time I can see hello, I'm Andrea on the console, and this confirms that the Andrea parameter is passed from the employee class all the way to the person constructor, and when we call the same name method, then it's printed correctly. So this is how we use the super constructor when extending classes. So let's continue on the next video.